The Texas Medical Center, more than 100 employees at Baylor College of Medicine were laid off yesterday.
The college says it is in anticipation of President Trump's federal funding cuts. Health reporter Haley Hernandez is in the medical center with more.
And those cuts span all areas from administration, research, clinical, and education levels. And in total, Baylor says that means 122 people lose their jobs. In a statement, college president Dr. Klotman says in part, proposed changes to the National Institutes of Health funding would have a significant effect on their research. But as a reminder, those cuts haven't taken effect yet. A federal judge temporarily blocked the Trump administration's attempt to nix funding grants in March, saying that funding for medical research, by cutting that, would hurt Americans who depend on life-saving medical discoveries. Still, Baylor College of Medicine says that it is bracing for the unknown. Dr. Klotman said education and patient care will also be impacted by changes expected from the Department of Health and Human Services and the Department of Education. Baylor says in the end, employees were the last thing they tried to look at when making budget cuts. The school does rely heavily on NIH grant funding. Last year, they got $326 million, which is more than any Texas university does. But in speaking to people out here today, there were some people who didn't even realize that the layoffs had happened and how it would affect them yet. Reporting from Baylor College of Medicine, I'm health reporter Haley Hernandez, KPRC 2 News.
All right, thank you.